Good morning everyone. I am Mohan, Department of Mathematics. Here we are discuss about the introduction to function part 2. See, already we discussed about the functions, that is part 1. This is previous video, and here we are discuss about the part 2, the few things of function. See, first one is identity function. The identity function, that is called it's a doublet function. It's called a doublet function. See, the value of x is assigned to the y to the same number, that is called a identity function. If x is a set to the identity function of f on x is defined to be a function with x as its domain and codomain, satisfying f of x equal to x, then all elements in x in capital X. See, here the example are given. A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and then 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5. This is the purely name, it's called a doublet. See, in this doublet, assign the value of x to y, and the same value will be assigned on same value of x in same value of y, and as well as 2 is also the same value of 2 is assigned on the x to y, and the same value of 3 is assigned on x to y. That is called a identity function. The next, one-to-one function. Each element in a domain maps to a unique element in the codomain. For example, each element in the domain maps to a unique element in a codomain. See here, the one-to-one function means how many domain, how many codomains. See, all the domains will be each on all the codomains. That is called a one-to-one function. And also, if it is x is 4 elements, then same is it as y is the 4 elements, and each element will be merged on each element x in y, then it is called a one-to-one function. That is called a one-to-one function. Next, on-to function. See, every element in a codomain has pre-image in domain. See, for example, domain will be the 4 values are assigned to the 3 values to the codomain. That is called a onto function. And then we have to note that point, what are the values will be assigned in the left hand side, then all the values are assigned as well as in the right hand side. That is the very important thing. See, the value of x, y, z, w is assigned to the a, b, c, but not any empty set of a, b, c. So here the value, every codomain has pre-image in a domain. So that is called a onto function. If the pre-image will be missing or 1 or 2, it is not a onto function. So here we are discussed a few points of one-to-one and onto function. So very important thing is the one-to-one will be assigned the value of 1 is assigned to the value of y is also 1. and the x is assigned to only one value of y. Then z is assigned to the only one value of z. So that is the very important thing. Then the introduction to the function part 3 will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.